Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you all must be happy and healthy. So, in today's video, we are going to cover a very important topic of business economics that is called basic concepts of business economics, that is opportunity cost, incremental concept, and marginal concept. So, let's start the video. So, first of all, we should know that what is opportunity cost. So, opportunity cost is also known as a alternative cost. It means next best alternative foregone or sacrifice. For example, you have a two choice and you have to select any one. So if you are going to select one, then second you have to sacrifice, and if you are going to select second one, then first one you have to sacrifice. So opportunity cost means when we have to make a decision that we have to select one and other we have to sacrifice. So whatever we are sacrificing, that is called opportunity cost. The concept opportunity cost is very useful in a business decision whenever firm and businessman wants to take decision that what should he select and what he has to sacrifice. We'll do this concept with one more example. Suppose there is a one farmer whose name is Ramlal having piece of land. So on that piece of land, he can produce either 100 quintal of rice or 150 quintal of wheat. If he's going to select cultivation of rice, then he has to sacrifice wheat. And if he's going to select cultivation of wheat, then he has to sacrifice rice. But the selection is based on that for which product he get more price. For example, if Ramlal is getting more price for the rice, then he will select the land for the production of rice and sacrifice wheat. That is called opportunity cost. So opportunity cost means next best alternative we sacrifice. Then this principle generally used in a business whenever we have to make a choice, and whatever we are going to be sacrificed, that is our opportunity cost. One more example. Suppose there is a one businessman, and businessman has two choice. Either he can invest in a printing machine or he can invest in a washing machine. If he's going to invest in a printing machine, then there is a chance that he can get a 60,000, and with the help of a washing machine he can earn 40,000. So the businessman will take decision to purchase printing machine and earn a profit of 60,000. So 40,000 he has to sacrifice, which he could earn from washing machine. That is called opportunity cost. So opportunity cost means next best alternative we have to sacrifice. For example, you have a two chocolate, 5 star and dairy milk. If you are going to select 5 star, then dairy milk you have to sacrifice. If you are going to select dairy milk, then 5 star you have to sacrifice. So whatever we are sacrificing, that is called opportunity cost. Next is, what are the important points of opportunity cost? In opportunity cost, sacrifice is must. If there is no sacrifice, then there is no opportunity cost. Opportunity cost can be in a form of real, like physical term, monetary term, like money term. It can be implicit, explicit. Implicit means the cost incurred by a firm for the resources which owned by himself, and explicit means the cost incurred by a firm when he purchased resources from the market. Then it can be quantifiable or not quantifiable. Quantifiable means which you can count, and not quantifiable means which you cannot count. For example, if you have a money and you want to invest in a FDI or PPF, public provident fund. If you are going to be invest in FDI, then you will get 7% rate of interest, and if you are going to invest in PPF, then you will get 7.6% rate of interest. So if you are going to select FDI, then you have to sacrifice PPF. If you are going to select PPF, then you have to sacrifice FDI. So that is called quantifiable. Same, not quantifiable means if you are going to select to go for the picnic, then you will sacrifice the dinner with family. If you are going to select dinner with family, then you are going to sacrifice picnic. So that is called not quantifiable, which we cannot count. So that is known as a opportunity cost. Next is incremental concept. Incremental concept is a very important concept of a business economics. It is related to cost and revenue. Cost means the expenditure incurred by a firm while producing goods and services. And revenue means the income earned by a firm after selling output. So incremental concept means change in a TC means total cost and TR means total revenue. So change in a TC and change in a TR due to change in any business decision, such as change in output, change in investment, change in a price, etc. So when firm take any business decision, that will lead to change in a total cost as well as total revenue. There are two main important concept of a incremental concept, that is called incremental cost and incremental revenue. Incremental cost means change in total cost due to change in any business decision, and incremental revenue means change in total revenue due to change in any business decision. For example, there is a one company who decided to computerize their company and who decided to renovate and change the infra of the company. So that is called business decision. If suppose the company decided that they are going to renovate a company, they are going to computerize entire company, so that is a business decision. But in this business decision there will be total cost, मतलब total cost भी change होने वाली है. If the total cost will change, then automatically total revenue will be also change, because after renovation, after computerization, maybe company can earn good amount of income. So at initial stage, whenever firm will take a business decision, then first total cost will change, then afterward total revenue is going to be changed. That is called incremental concept. It means change in a total cost and change in a total revenue due to change in any business decision. Next is marginal concept. Marginal means it measures change in dependent variable with respect to change in independent variable. First of all, dependent variables. First of all, variable means initial letter of any economic item, such as demand, then D, supply, then S, price, and P. So variable means initial letter of any economic item. Next is dependent variable means the variable which are depending on independent, and independent variable means which is free. For example, you can see there in the picture that D is a function of P. So D is a dependent variable and P is an independent variable. Why? Because D increase and decrease as changes take place in a price. So D ऊपर नीचे जाता है because whenever there is a change in a price. So D is a depending on P. So D is a dependent variable and P is an independent variable. Then marginal concept classified into two categories. First is called marginal revenue, second is called marginal cost. Marginal revenue means extra income earned by a firm after selling extra commodity in the market. Marginal revenue means extra income earned by a firm after selling one more unit of commodity. With formula we can say delta TR upon delta Q. Delta TR upon delta Q means change in a total revenue due to change in a total quantity. With example we will explain. Suppose there is a one vada pav wala. He is selling daily 100 vada pav and earning 1000 rupees. But suppose one day he sold 150 vada pav. So 50 are extra. So he will earn extra income, that is 2000. So that 1000 is extra income, that is known as marginal revenue. So marginal revenue means extra income earned by a firm after selling extra commodity. Next is marginal cost. Marginal cost means addition in a total extra addition in a total cost by producing additional unit of output. A marginal cost means addition in a total cost due to production of a additional output. For example, there is a one chai wala, he is making daily 500 tea and his cost is 2000 rupees. But suppose after some time he will make a 1000 tea So if he'll make 1,000 tea, then his cost will be also extra. Previous cost was 2,000, now cost is 4,000. So that 2,000 is known as a additional cost, and that 500 extra tea is known as extra output. So marginal cost means extra cost incurred by firm by producing extra output. I hope so. These concepts are clear in your mind. So opportunity cost means next best alternative. If we are selecting one, then other we have to sacrifice. So whatever we are sacrifice, that is opportunity cost. Incremental concept means change in a total cost and change in total revenue due to change in any business decision. जब भी कोई बिजनेस मैन कोई डिसीजन लेता है बिजनेस के बारे में, तो उसका कॉस्ट भी चेंज होता है और उसका रेवेन्यू भी. Next is marginal concept means change in revenue and change in a cost. And marginal revenue always measure change in a dependent variable due to change in a independent variable. I hope so student. This video will definitely help you to clear your doubts regarding the basic concept of business economics, and exam point of view it's very important. This concept is used to come in FI BCom, FI BF, BMM. It is a very important concept of self finance courses as well as BCom student. So please like, share and subscribe my channel, and write in a comment box how my videos are helping you to do your studies. Thank you so much. God bless you.